Welcome. This is a tutorial on how to replace a display on your Casio watch. For this you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and all this other stuff. If you are a little Step 1. Remove the module. Undo the screws diagonally and remove the backplate. Remove the rubber gasket. Grab your module by the spring and pull it out. This is your module. Step 2. Replace the LCD. Undo 4 clips holding the module together. Battery is taped in place. Lift it together with the circuitry board. Remove conductive rubber strip using tweezers. Using your index finger, pull on the plastic latch to release the LCD and the backplate. Step 3. Install new LCD. Put back the backplate. Slide new LCD under the top lip and use your index finger to do the bottom one. Don't forget to remove the protective film. Flip the case and install conductive rubber strip. Put back the circuit board with the battery and clip metal casing in place. Your display will need to be reset. To do that, short AC with the positive terminal of the battery, which is also the metal case of the module. Put the module in the case and adjust the pusher springs. Place the rubber gasket back in. Put the backplate back and making sure it's facing the right way. Keep pressure on the backplate and do the screws diagonally. Congratulations, Butterfingers! You have successfully installed negative display in your Casio.